Is upper in C++ sees if a character is uppercase or not. Let's set up some code so you can see the functionality of is upper. We will have a char array of 3 characters, so chars square bracket 3 equals the array containing lowercase q, capital Q, and the number 1. Next, we will loop over these characters, so for in I equals 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. On each run of the loop, we will see if the given char is uppercase. So if is upper of chars square brackets I, inside the if statement, we will do a printf statement that the character is uppercase. If we actually ran this code, you would see that capital Q is the only character that would get a printout from our if statement. That is because is upper only considers characters in the range from uppercase A to uppercase Z to be lowercase. Like and subscribe to learn more.